Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you doing? I think you guys doing great and alhamdulillah, I'm doing great by the mercy of Almighty Creator. So in this video, I'm going to tell you something which is none other than English speaking. So if you would like to know from my side that how I'm talking like this, and I have got some comment and they wanted to know that brother I wanna be fluent like you. But I am saying right now that I'm not that type of fluent speaker you are saying. But through my experience I can share something that how I learned English. Okay, if you would like to know from my side that what was my journey and how was my journey. Okay, so I have started more than 3 years ago. Yeah, more than 3 years ago my learning English. Okay, so my first time I was like so random and I practice randomly. I whenever I can see any video or anything, any motivational video that about English. So that time I start, and on a 2 days later I fractured. So that was my my learning style. So finally, this way I have passed more than 2 years. So after that I have got a teacher, and she guides me that you know guides me that this is the appropriate way to learn English. Like, you have to maintain a consistency, you have to practice every day. Whenever you can maintain this consistency, it means that you will be good speaker within very short time. On the other hand, if we start any work, suppose this is learning English or any work, like if we give up, then like if we practice 1 or 2 days, after that if we give up, then we can't shine, we can learn, we can do the work perfectly. So on the other hand, a person start work or learning English and the person is continuously practicing, continuously learning, it means that the person will get the success within very short time. So I have got this advice from my teacher. So this that was my first like a knowledgeable thing, I can say informative thing that I have got my teacher. So then I was like practice regularly, still though I become lazy day by day, but I was really attentive of my English. So okay, so I can say how we will be attentive. And wow, okay, I already said before my video that if you have clear picture, if you have specific goal, if you have a strong goal, then you can easily practice, then you can do many things for your English. You can get their energy. So first of all, my recommendation is that if you like to be fluent speaker or good speaker, you have to select a goal. So because it can be like this, like I have to get a good job, or I want to be BCS cadre, or I want to go abroad for my higher education, or on the other hand I want to be a motivational speaker, or I want to be a teacher, so something like that. So you have to set a goal. So whenever you have a specific goal, it means that you will get energy, and your English learning will be like I can say you will be fluent within very short time. It will your English learning will be effective. Okay, so that's all for now from my experience. Yeah, like those guys wanted to know from my side that how I learned and what was my motivation. So that I'm saying, okay, my motivation is like many things, that I love to connect with global people, and you can say the foreigners. So it was from my, I can say, when I was child, when I understood everything, so day by day I'm understanding. So at that time I decided that I saw a lot of video there, like foreigners video. I have interest to talk with them. So finally, day by day I'm getting this interest to talk with them. I love to connect with all over the world. So that's why you can say this is one kind of motivation for me. So that's that helped me a lot. So I can say, find your strengths, find your like goal, which purpose you'd like to enhance your communication skill, then you have to start your communication skills. So it is the effective way to learn English. Okay, so that's all for now, guys. I hope this video will like help you to know how to make yourself more attentive. So that's all for now. See ya, Allah Hafiz.